Hi everyone, I hope you are doing very well. Welcome to my channel Tech Up Blog. Today we are going to discuss some expression rules. We have discussed some functions in part 1. Today is the part 2. So we are going to discuss some more functions today. Uh, let's first discuss join array function. So what it does, like it will join two separate arrays with the separator. The first parameter should be array and the second parameter should be the separator. Let's try to run. Let's say I'm giving this array. Let's give this 3, then 4. This is my first parameter, and I want these to be separated by, let's say, this dash operator. Let's say I'm going to separate this by this dash. So now let's test this rule and see what is the output. So here you can see it will join these values with the this operator. So first is the array, second is the operator that we want to get these values to be joined with. This is a separator. Let's say if I want to combine all these values with equal to, so I'll write here and like this. Now let's run this. So here you can see all 1, 2, 3, 4 have been combined using the equal to operator. Okay, so let's discuss one more function. There is another function such as split function. First, let me tell you about the definition of this function. So it splits text into list of text element delimited by the text specified in the separator. So first parameter will be text. Let's say I'm giving the text as 2, 3, comma 4, 5, comma 6. And I want this to be separated where the comma is present. So wherever the comma is present, it will separate those values like 1, 2, 3, and then 4 and then 6. So let's test this rule and see what is the output. So here you can see 1, 2, 3 is separated. So wherever comma is present, it separates those values. Then 4, then 6, like that. Let's say there is another function, drop function. So first let me tell you what it does. Drops the given number of values from the left side of the given array. So for example, the first parameter will be array and the second parameter will be number. Let's say I have this is my array and I want two numbers to be dropped from the left side. So 2 and 3 will be dropped and output will be finally 5. Output will be finally 4 and 5. Let's test this rule. So here you can see 4 and 5 are there. Similarly, there is one other function called as rdrop. So what it does, it drops the values from the array from the right side. So here if we give the 4 and 5 will be dropped and 2 and 3 will be returned. Let's test this rule. So here you can see 4 and 5 are dropped and 2 and 3 are only left. Okay, there is one more important function such as where function. Let me tell you what is the definition. So it returns the indices where the condition is true. Okay, so let's say first we have let me give uh, for example, if I am giving this modulus 2, 3, 4, 6, so modulus function will have two operate will have two parameters. It will have and equal to 0. So what it does, it will find those places where, oh, 1 second, I need to give one more thing. This is my modulus operator and I'm giving this as 2. So wherever it is remainder is 0, it will give only those indices. Let's run this rule. So here you can see 1, 3 and 4. So wherever modulus means it gives the remainder. So when these values are divided by 2 and it returns equal to 0. So it will give only those indices where the condition is true. If 2 is divided by 2, it is equal to 0, so it will return 1. That is first index. 3 divided by 2 not equal to 0, so that index will not be returned. 4 divided by 2 equal to 0, so 4 is at third index, so it will return fourth index. 1, 3, 4. Sorry, it will return third index, yes. And if we see the last index, fourth index is 6. 6 divided by 2 equal to 0, so it returns 6 is at fourth index, so it will return index 4. So this is how where functions works. It returns the indices of the array where the condition is true. There is one more important function, which is where contains function. It has two parameters, values and then array. So it also returns index of the values which is present in the array. For example, I want to find the place of 1 inside this array. So 2, 3, 4, and then let's say 1, then 6. So the value index of 1 is fourth index, so it will return 4. So here you can see 4. So here contains, we'll have two parameters, value and array. It will find this value in the array and return the index of that value present in the array. So this is the where contains function. I hope you are able to understand these functions which we have discussed today. Next class, we will discuss some more functions which are used in Appian. So thank you for watching and please do like, share and subscribe my channel. That will give me motivation to bring more such videos. Thank you for watching. Thank you.